What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here, and if you still work with videotape like I do, if you still have VHS footage that you like to convert to digital and upload them, online and that sort of thing, you may have noticed that the latest updates for Adobe Premiere going into 2024 no longer support video capturing. Here's a example of Adobe Premiere main screen, and so yeah, if you did an update recently to your Adobe account, and you notice you can no longer see the capture button like you used to see, that's because Adobe is now eliminating the ability to capture. As far as the old school ways of copying from VHS or DVC Pro or Pro HD or any of those camera methods, Adobe is no longer offering it as far as the latest updates. However, if you go back to 2023, 2022 software, like this one here, it still will accept it. If I can't get it over there, Adobe Premiere Pro 2023, which is what this screen is, will still accept video capturing. So that's a good thing, as you'll see, like here.
Access to most of the
There
information
it is.
you need.
There's a capture.
The MDS2 is now faster.
Okay, so that's a good thing. But another kind of difficult thing, if you've already updated to Premiere 24 and you uninstalled Premiere 23, and you're wondering, well, how can I go backwards in versions? Fortunately, you can do that still as well. So you need to open up your Adobe Creative Cloud, which looks like this. You have to find the software in question. I already have it here. So if yours is still here, you can click Other Versions, and you can find 23 or 22, and that one will work fine. So don't panic too much, because it is a little it's a little vague on a lot of websites and things on how to go backwards on which version of Premiere Pro you're using. So anyway, that's how you do it. Straight from your Creative Cloud desktop, which should be an icon on your desktop, or if you just sign in to your Adobe account, like through here, you should be able to see your apps and things, and just click on apps, and then there they'll be as far as what you do have installed on your machine or what's available in your subscription plan. Because if you did not know, you can no longer purchase Premiere like in a software form or in CD form or DVD form like you used to be able to. Now you have to pay a monthly subscription. Same thing going, for a lot of Microsoft products and that sort of stuff. So, but if you've been away from this for a while, you might find that you can no longer just purchase some software and throw it on your machine like the old days. Anyway, so just look for your software, click the three-dot menu, and look for Other Versions, and then you can scroll down. I went to a 23.0. But as far as I know, any of the 23 versions will work as far as capturing, but as soon as you get up in 24, no more. Anyway, that's it. Make sure you check out our channel. We've got all kinds of stuff on our YouTube channel. I'll bring it over in here. We try to help you out with all kinds of things relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motorcycles, working around the house, even entertainment videos that we've done or that we've transferred or upgraded from VHS to digital, and all kinds of stuff. Over 1,700 videos we have on our channel, so make sure you take a look through it. And if our video or any YouTube video from a monetized channel helps you solve a problem or saves your life, so to speak, make sure you look for the thanks button underneath the screen. You'll see it. It's called Super Thanks, and it's how that you can actually send a donation to the channel. I mean, sure, we all appreciate it when you guys tell us thank you and how much it, we saved you and that sort of thing. But honestly, when a channel spends a lot of time doing videos and they try to help you out with a certain fix, shoot them a donation. It helps even more than just telling them thank you. I know it's, it sounds like people are begging for money and whatnot, but if you spend a lot of time doing this sort of stuff, the revenue you make off of a video isn't all that much. So donations help out a great deal. Anyway, that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later. Make sure you look for the social media links in the description. And we're on eBay, Amazon, Facebook as well. Google Horsepower House. See y'all later.